Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here, and looking at this post about KCM. It's going to show you how to take these KCM links and drop them into listings to leads as a home value header. So I'm going to take that, copy that link, go to listings to leads. And so I got Tom Ferry in the background interviewing David Goggins. Actually a pretty good interview on the podcast. Anyways, pick any property valuation plus landing page, click edit, let the editor come up, click advanced options, home value header, go ahead and pause the video as needed, and see where it says add new home value header. Drop in the link. I don't know what that title was. What was that title? Buying a house this year. That'll be the title. Target URL, buying. Don't put the question mark, right? It'll screw up the URL. Click add. So there we go. Let's see how it works. So people click. So they click that red bar. We should go to the landing page. And we can see here, they can read it. And when they click the red button, they go to the landing page. So awesome way to share the content that you have through KCM. You'll see some different options here as well. And you can even just share it right to Facebook, or you can just take the link. And again, I don't really know what this is about, so I'll just put there we go. Now, when I share it, on the page you manage, and then a second drop down will appear, so I can share it to my unbranded community page, my business page. Maybe add in a emoji. And I think you get the idea there. There we go. Maybe add a hashtag. Post it to Facebook. And now I'll go to my unbranded community page and I'll show you. So now if I go to my unbranded community page, we should have a nice post. And I can always edit that post later. So even if I put it up on my business page, my community page, what have you, I can still come in with Facebook a minute. See it popping up there. So there's our post. I could boost it right from here. Again, I can come in and edit it, but now I can click the link. So if I click here, that'll take me to the landing page. Or I can just go right to the article. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Comment on this thread, and I'll answer some questions as they come up. Thanks, everybody.